Hey folks, we hadn't seen each other for a couple of days. I'm shooting this on, I don't think y'all have seen, let's see, today's Wednesday. I don't think did I put one up yesterday, Tuesday? If I did, that was the last one. Didn't get one up today, because this one you're not going to see till at least late tomorrow, Thursday, late tomorrow night or 8 o'clock Friday morning, having some computer problems. I can shoot the video, but I can't do any editing or get it uploaded. And I've got parts ordered, and they should be here tomorrow, and I ordered them through Amazon Prime, so they're usually pretty good. There is some stuff, these glasses driving me nuts, they need cleaning. You gotta be careful on Amazon, even though Amazon does get you stuff. If it's fulfilled by Amazon, if it says FBA, fulfilled by Amazon, and it says it'll be here in 2 days, it'll be here in 2 days, maybe one. And that's what these parts I've got coming for the computer are. And then there's FBS, fulfilled by seller. You better be looking at the seller's rating, because fulfilled by seller, sometimes it, it might be Amazon Prime, you're supposed to have it in 2 days. Well, I've had fulfilled by seller take 10 days to get here. So anyway, parts should be here tomorrow, Thursday. I'm going to spend tomorrow evening tearing my computer apart, taking out some old parts that are wore out. I built this computer in November of 2011. So it's got a lot of hours on it, and there's some parts that are starting to fail. I'm slowly changing everything over from hard drives to SSDs. What does SSD stand for? Solid state drives, not hard drives, no moving parts. And I've got 3 hard drives in there, and little by little I've got 3 1 terabyte hard drives in there, and little by little I'm getting rid of the 1 terabyte hard drives and adding 1 terabyte SSDs. And I've got one 250 gigabyte SSD already in there that my operating system runs on. I run Linux, by the way, not Windows. I hate Windows. So some of those parts are starting to, the ones of moving parts, hard drives mainly, starting to give me some problems and showing that they're going to totally fail for too long, so I'm changing all that stuff out. But anyway, that's to tell you that you didn't get anything yesterday. Now I'm talking yesterday because today is Wednesday. I'm talking about yesterday, Tuesday. I don't remember if you got one then. You're not going to get one today because this is Wednesday, and I know it's not going to get done today. And tomorrow, this one that I'm recording today, I might upload it tomorrow night. It should be up by 8 o'clock, this one, by 8 o'clock Friday morning, and y'all won't know to look for it until it's there. So all that explaining I just did no good whatsoever. But anyway, what I want to talk about today is corporate slogans. I don't care too much for corporate. I don't like advertising. I'm one of the few people that advertising doesn't work on. Companies are wasting their time and money aiming an ad at me. But there is one corporate slogan, and oddly enough, it's for a company I don't like. But there is one corporate slogan that I think all of us ought to take to heart and do what it says, and that's Nike. Nike's corporate slogan is, just do it. How many times, I know I've got stuff, that I've thought, that'd be cool to do. I'd enjoy that. Can't be that hard. It's probably a YouTube video shows how to do it. But you just never get around to it. I'm not saying if you have something you want to do, don't do your due diligence and know what you're getting into. But there's a thing it started in the corporate world, and it's kind of getting where everybody knows the saying now. But there's a thing that stops people most times from doing what they want to do, doing what's a passion for them, doing something they would enjoy, and in some cases doing something that they could actually make money at, you know, kind of like YouTube. But they look at it and they look at it and they try to find all the little details beforehand. They want to be experts before they ever do it. And that corporate thing that explains that is called paralysis of analysis. You just have to analyze every little bit of something, and you never actually do it. Meantime, the guy sitting next to you, he looked at it, he thought just like you, this would be cool. He looked at the high points. Well, you got to do this, this, this. Okay, you want to do YouTube? You got to have a camera. Is the camera on my phone good enough, or do I have to buy a camera? Do I need an external mic? Do I need a tripod? Do I need some editing software? Okay, those are the high points. So his phone's good enough. He buys a tripod, and away we go. He's doing YouTube videos. He put some free software, because there is some for Windows, for Mac, and for Linux like me. There is some free video editing software out there that is killer. It will absolutely do as good as anything you can pay for. But he gets the basics, he gets what gets the job done, and he does it. And there sits the guy next to him with paralysis of analysis. He's still looking at everything. Okay, when I start uploading YouTube videos, how many do I have to have up? You know, I know I got to have 1,000 videos. I got to have 4,000 watch hours in the last year. So, how many videos does it take to do that where I can get monetized? Because, you know, it'd be kind of nice to make $1 or $2 off of this. Oh, by the way, yesterday, speaking of $1 or $2, yesterday, I've been monetized since the 17th of last month, 17th of May. Yesterday, I made over $2 in one day. $2 a day. I'm going to get rich off of YouTube. But it's been creeping up. The first day that I was monetized, I made 10. No, the first day I was able to make money, I didn't make a penny. The second day, I made 10 cents. So the fact that I'm up to $2.13 a day, I just hope it keeps climbing. But anyway, don't do like Nike. Just do it. Find the high points. Find the basics you've got to do in anything. Woodworking, YouTube videos, a garden, any of it. Don't worry about being an expert and getting it professionally just right before you ever start, because you'll never start. Get the high spots. Know the basics that you've got to know. And then do like Nike says. Just do it. That's about all for today. I'm going to keep this a little bit short. This is only 8.5 minutes so far, and I'm usually about 15 or 17, and I think that last one I put up was about 22. Those are a little bit too long. I'm sorry to bore you with those long ones. But that's my message for today is don't get paralysis of analysis on anything. I don't care if it's a cool meal with a complicated recipe you want to try. Do it. Screw it up. Improve it the next time. But just be like Nike says. Just do it. So y'all have a good day. I don't know when you're going to see this. I hope this is going to be up Friday morning in time for you to see it, 8 o'clock, because that's when I want all my videos to, that's when I schedule to publish, is 10 minutes till 8. By the way, YouTube creators out there, everybody's schedules on the hour. Don't. If you want the video to go live at 8 o'clock, don't schedule it for 8 o'clock. Everybody does. Never schedule on the hour or the half hour. Schedule it to go up at 10 minutes till 8, 10 minutes after 8. Don't do it at 8 o'clock. That's when you start having all kinds of problems with your subs not getting notified and all that sort of thing, because the servers at YouTube are working their butts off on the hour and on the half hour. Little tip there for anybody out there doing YouTube videos. But anyway, y'all have a fantastic day. whichever day you happen to see this. Probably, what did I say? Today's Wednesday. I'm going to have the parts. Tomorrow's Thursday. Should be up Friday. Probably will be up Friday. Might be up Saturday. But whenever you see it, I hope you enjoy it. Down there at the bottom, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you think the video stinks, give me a thumbs down. If you like the video, wander around the channel. You'll see other videos you like, both the coffee talks that I do and my homesteading stuff. If you like the channel, subscribe down there and hit the little bell so you get notifications. And you'll get notifications because I don't upload videos on the hour or the half hour. And leave me some comments down there. Tell me I talk too much. Tell me I don't talk enough. Tell me what topics you want me to talk on. Both the coffee talk chats I do every morning and the homesteading stuff. I can't put up on YouTube what you want unless you tell me what you want. So y'all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, you thought I was going to forget, didn't you? Two things don't ever forget. Number one, the tomb was empty. And number two, yes, he is alive. Y'all go have an awesome day and an awesome weekend. Or, as we say in the South, y'all come back and see me. You hear? Bye.